Hello coin engineer, welcome back again and again to our channel. Today I'm gonna release new video for especially newcomers, because in this video, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm gonna talk about why I'm using Binance. I mean, what is the special features for Binance, what is the main differences from other centralized or decentralized exchange, and in general, what is the main things to encourage me using the Binance as a control exchange, as a centralized exchange. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, right now, as you can see, we are at the login page. If you had already watched our latest videos for especially newcomers, and if you have no, I will drop it at the right corner of this video. First of all, we need to click to QR code login, and then we need to use Binance mobile application, and then into the deal we need to click scan QR code, and then scan the QR code from Binance mobile application, and then click authorize from our phone, and then as you can see, confirm on your app. And yes, probably right now we are seeing yes, and yeah, that is the our Binance main menu, Binance main page, and we are controlling launch pool, our estimated balance, and some popular and new listing coins and fall coins. If you want to take a look, deposit our doesn't matter. We have already explained and showed you a lot of times from our videos. If you want to get, I will drop at the right corner of this video right now again the playlist. And then yeah, what should we do? First of all, why I'm using, because as you can see right now, that is the so easiest. Everything, yes, for the first time, if you're a newcomer, that can be a little confusing for you, but not, there is no any confusion. Every feature into there, locating into there, and you can deposit easily because you can get even from there, and you can directly click trade. You can need to convert currencies just from doing this. And if you want to earn free coin, you can take a look launch pool. You can even get whole news at the cryptocurrency market, and you can get which cryptocurrency are popular on the Binance or in general in all market, and you can get which tokens had already newly listing on the Binance, and everything at one there, one location, one place, but there is no any confusing. That is our first and main thing, main feature for Binance, and I think I had already answered why I'm mostly using Binance. And other feature, other things about the Binance to encourage me using Binance, there are a lot of coins to trade, and then just click trade to see them. Yes, that is the place and where we can trade easily. That's the graphic. I mean, which graphic? That's the categories graphic, and then you can change the parity, and then for example, just click trade. You can trade at the spot side or P2P, use margin, and then you can click features. USDM, coin and features, and mostly, if I'm not mistaken, some people's using USDM features. Click USDM features to see features trading, and then we are just switching from DAI to Bitcoin USDT. I want to just make it so simple. And then there's a graphic, that is a price, and there's a panel where can you buy and sell and earn something, some profits into there. You can click and take a look, transactions, trading histories, and some other. And even probably you have no any money, you can use buy crypto on single asset modes, and then click switch classic trading, portfolio margin. You can do it easily, and then you can take a look order book. I mean, what I want to saying, just showing with you with them, is you are seeing that's also complexity. There is no any other confusing thing. For example, that's the original. I mean, if you are already addicted with trading view, you can click switch from original Binance panel to trading view panel, and yeah, that is the matter thing. You can get a trading data from the Binance future funding history, or you can get an info about Bitcoin of the website, white paper, blog explorer, everything, but everything. That's so easy by user interface and user experience side, and then you can take a look everything from there, and then that is the our second thing why I'm using mine. Everything is so currently. That's it. And for example, I want to take a look order book. That's into the deer. I want to take a look to rates. That is into the deer also. I want to just buy, sell, limit, market, stop limit, and buy long, sell short, everything. I want to get trading data. Click that, and I will see that simple Bitcoin is the perpetual or some other. For example, I want to trading ZLUSD perpetual. Yes, that is. I can get full data, open interest data, for example. That's it. USDCM, CoinM, and real-time funding rate. That is a funding rate. And then funding rate history, insurance fund history index, arbitrage data, and everything about the cryptocurrency market, which one is help you also complexly in market, and then you can get easily and sort of freely. Actually, some or most of websites can provide this data not freely with any money. This is of any money, but right now we are at Binance, and Binance can provide our users, our regular users, especially coin engineers, followers, why not? So freely. And yes, that is our second thing. And then you can earn a lot of money. For example, you are a newcomer and you have any money at the cryptocurrency market, and you are heard about, there are a lot of free money. Yes, you're right, because you are at the Binance. And then how can you do this? For example, future snakes. What should you do to earn money from future snakes? Future snakes in the prediction market. Actually, yes, we can take a look from this side, because just for example, I have a Beldex coin, that's my favorite, and there are a lot of picks, 1.8 million, and into there, the Beldex coin has a first rank, and then just click peak, and then you need to hold just $1, yes, $1 from USDC and wallet balance, and then click one or maximum of 99. Right now I have no any balance at the USDC wallet, and then click confirm. That's it. One peak equal one USDT, and then after, if your prediction will be right, that means you will earn a lot of USDT from there. Nominate your token listing, and rewards, and then after the token listing, you will get your rewards on your futures bonus voucher as a future bonus voucher, and or rebate voucher. Doesn't matter. It depends on campaign or tokens. For example, and you can scroll down, scroll up to the other tokens reward. That is the third, and then that's end to earn free cryptocurrency. Not as sure, and then you can click earn, and then you can stake something into there, and you can get a lot of passive income from there. But into the deal, yes, you're right. You want to earn something, you need a lot of cryptocurrency. We are talking about there is no any cryptocurrency to invest, to stake, and then into the deal. Yes, just scroll down at the end of the Binance main menu, main page, you will see referral and affiliate marketing. You can absolutely earn a lot of free cryptocurrency. For example, you have a lot of followers or you have a lot of friends which want to join Binance or cryptocurrency market, just click referral, and then you will see your own referral ID and referral link, and then just click invite link, copy, and send to your own followers, friends, or your family members. Doesn't matter if they will join Binance using your own referrals when they are trading or spending a lot of much more time or cryptocurrency, a little bit piece, I mean 10%, 20%, doesn't matter, will be rewarded as a reward for inviting your own friends, your own environment to Binance. And that's affiliate marketing. You are not working, that is a passive income. You are just flipping, and somebody which one you are already joined using your referral to Binance, they are trading, and you will get some rewards for your account, Binance account, and you can take a look, you control your own total referrals count, trading fee, voucher, and successful referrals. That's it. And then you can take a look some other a lot of things. For example, buy crypto, pay, academy. For example, if you want to learn and at the same time earn free cryptocurrency, you can use academy, and there are a lot of academic campaigns which one you can just learn and then earn a lot of cryptocurrency, minimum of $10 or $5. And actually, I think every month Binance Academy holding these events, such like this event, and you can earn a lot of cryptocurrency, free cryptocurrency. You can just ask for the correct question after the reading Binance Academy articles and answering question, you will get a lot of free cryptocurrencies. And for example, Binance Airdrop portal. If you are holding a lot of tokens, for example, Cathy, right now, Cathy Airdrop is on coin, or Cat, Simon's Cat, you can get, for example, you can click my airdrop. If you are holding some BNB versus USD, doesn't matter other things, you can suddenly get a Claire tokens, Docs tokens, Simon's Cat, Kerosene. That is a passive income, and you can't wait. Every exit time you can get airdrop from Binance Airdrop portal. Not that is just free opportunities to get free cryptocurrencies, to get earn free cryptocurrencies via Binance, and completely and 100% free. Yeah, that are the some of the features why you need to use, why you should use Binance as a world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. If I'm not mistaken, right now the total users on Binance are already over 220 million. That is this so huge. If the Binance users collecting into the one place into the world, that will be one of the huge countries into the world. Even if I'm not mistaken, seventh biggest country into the world. That is the Binance potential, and that is the Binance hugeness. And that's why absolutely I need to I need to recommend that you use Binance. And even if you still not yet registered your own account on Binance, I will drop out of the description, I mean below this video. You can use our registration link because you will get 20% special for CoinEngineers followers, 20% discount at the commissions. And additionally, if you are holding Binance coin, I mean BNB, and additionally you will get 25% of commissions, and in total even that means 45% of discount and the commission. Yeah, that's it. Such a good and such amazing features to use Binance. Yeah, that's it. If you learned as a newcomer, especially, that's also matter for me, because if you are a newcomer, you absolutely have no any information about this. And yeah, that's why I said if you have learned anything from this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, and join us finding at the description of our social media links. That's it about that. See you on the next post time.